GexPro Daily Market View. The repricing. Welcome to GexPro Daily Market View. Look, big picture first. The real risk right now? It's the bond market, not earnings. We're talking about $7 trillion at stake in the world economy of bonds. Japan finally, they blinked. Yields moved. And global duration got repriced in a hurry because those long yields just went above 4% for the first time. Honestly, the tape is lying to you if you think this is a calm market. The macro stress points macro first. Rates, currencies, and those stress points. Japanese yields are north of where anyone's comfortable. It's a record move. That's the carry trade creaking, guys. The yen jumped the most since August, then stalled. It tells you the intervention risk is real. And the US dollar? It's sitting right on an all-important trend line from 2007. Everyone, and I mean everyone, is betting on a weaker dollar right now. When a trade hits a record premium like that, it usually stops being easy. Even Buffett is out here warning about dollar debasement over the next decade or two. Sector rotation. The hidden move sector rotation next. It's clear as day. The S&P 500 has gone basically nowhere since the Fed cut in October. That's not necessarily bearish. It's just rotation. Semis are still holding the tape together as the bellwether. But look at energy. It's quietly waking up while nobody's looking. Software, though. Software is heavy. AI hype might finally be losing its sponsorship. Financials are the real tell. If they roll, the whole risk profile follows. The institutional levels matter here. S&P 500 is boxed in. Most of the puts are at 6,800, but it's eyeing that 7,000 call. Apple. Okay, so everyone's favorite trader, Nancy Pelosi, sold $50 million of it recently. It's found a buyer at the first support, but it needs 262 to really break out. Tesla is a total binary play this week. 460 and you get a massive gamma event. Below 420, it's air. Silver and gold. Leverage puking, and we have to talk about the metals. Gold is skyrocketing, 5,000 anyone. But silver, man, that wasn't price discovery. That was $900 billion getting wiped off in 90 minutes. No catalyst, just extreme pressure and some very powerful forces at work. It's a V event that marks the moment volatility officially entered the chat. Cross-asset divergence to wrap it up. Look at the divergence. Gold is strong, but silver is unstable. Bitcoin, it's struggling quite a bit. It's trading like high beta tech, not a hedge. It wiped out those 86,000 positions, but it needs to reclaim 91,000 or it's looking rough. When crypto and the Mag 7 trade the same, it's not diversification, it's just one big crowded trade. 3 things to watch. Japanese yields and the yen. That's the real macro tell for global stability. Tesla at 460 and the S&P range. Gamma decides the direction for the week. Silver follow-through. If it can't reclaim those levels after that wipeout, risk assets are going to feel it.